Mission-critical companies looking for a Midwest-based machining house for precision defense and aerospace parts can rely on Rathburn. What makes us special is our high quality, longevity, and a unique combination of great people working with the latest technology. We are ISO 9001 certified, AS 9100 compliant, ITAR registered. We are also a certified woman-owned small business. We offer part traceability by lot or individual serialization, industry-specific certifications, experience in machining superalloy material, and flexible batch production. That's Rathburn. Ingenuity and precision in everything we do.